BSwap. What is BSwap? BSwap is based on the principle of liquidity pool to exchange crypto assets. The price of the crypto will be determined by the amount of cryptos in the liquidity pool. How does BSwap determine the price of crypto? BSwap uses the following formula to determine the transaction fee and price between the two crypto assets. Traders adding and removing funds from the liquidity pool is involved in market making. In the same way, traders swapping or adding funds into the liquidity pool will affect the price of cryptos. Why BSwap? Through BSwap, traders can earn interests by adding liquidity to the pool. In addition, they can exchange cryptos quickly. 1. Add liquidity and earn shares and interests. Traders who add liquidity to the pool by adding funds will earn fees generated by the pool transactions and enjoy interests on cryptos. 2. Swap cryptos in seconds. In the process, smaller transactions won't generate any spreads, and larger transactions will significantly reduce slippage through the swap. Traders can enjoy stable prices and competitive fees. Let's now see how to add or remove liquidity. Add. Besides swapping cryptos, traders can become liquidity providers by adding funds to the pool. Click on Binance Liquid Swap. Choose Add tab. Drop down to select the liquidity pool you want to add funds to. Let's choose USDT BUSD, for example. If you choose to add funds using this pair, the system will automatically convert your funds into two cryptos in the pool. In this case, you will have a certain portion of USDT and BUSD. After reading and confirming the terms of use, click on Add to become a liquidity provider and enjoy pool shares. You can refer to the 7-day annual percentage yield API above. In addition, under My Shares, you can also see the unrealized profit and loss P&L of all your shares and the corresponding liquidity pool shares. Remove. To withdraw funds from the pool, click on Remove to withdraw your funds to your spot wallet at any time. You can remove your funds from the pool according to your current pool share. The removal can be proportional to the two cryptos of the pair selected, or you can pick one of the cryptos individually. If you choose one crypto, you will have to pay a transaction fee, which will be deducted from the amount you can get. Let's see how to trade cryptos with a single swap. Click on the Swap section. Select the crypto asset you want to sell or buy. Your exchange price, handling fee, and slippage will be automatically calculated according to the amount of cryptos in the liquidity pool and the formula. Click on Swap, and that's it. BSwap. Fast transaction, easy earnings.